Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document in Word. This is where the count will come from. Once open, glance at the status bar at the bottom. Word displays the live word count there. If you do not see it, go to the Review tab and click Word Count, or right-click the status bar and enable Word Count. You do this because Word updates counts live and shows chars, pages, and words, so you can trust the displayed number for most needs. Now decide whether you need the whole document or just a selection. Select the text you want counted. Once selected, choose Review, then Word Count. Word will show words, characters with and without spaces, paragraphs, and lines. Make sure to check or uncheck options like include text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes depending on your target. This matters because some publishers count only body text, so toggling these options gives you a finish by recording the word count where needed. You can copy the number, take a screenshot, or write it into your submission form. After making edits or pasting content, wait a moment and check the status bar again so the count refreshes. Word updates live, but heavy documents may lag. If the count stops updating, save your file and restart Word. If problems persist, check for updates or repair office because corrupted preferences can prevent accurate counting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.